So here's how to add signature in PDF for free. First off, let's open up the Acrobat application on the phone. As you can see, we're now in the Acrobat homepage. Here, you can view your recent and start files. Go to the Recent section and tap on any file to open it. You can now view this PDF file over here. Now, go to the bottom panel and tap on Fill and Sign. Then, tap on the signature icon at the bottom right corner. Here, select Add Signature. You can now add your signature over here. You can also choose to save it to Online Profile below. Once you're done, tap on Done at the top right corner. Now tap anywhere on the PDF file to place the signature. Once you've placed your signature, tap on Done at the top left. And that's it. You can now easily add signature in PDF for free.